Well, Fozzie here, downtown Enumclaw, getting ready to check out Deadly Motorcycle Ride number 2. That's right, this one's number 2. So we're going to take the time to check this one out pretty good. This is Highway 410. It runs between Enumclaw and Naches, otherwise known as Chinook Pass. It's absolutely beautiful. It goes over the mountains, through some switchbacks, along the river. A lot of great views of Mount Rainier. It's really a nice ride. Watch out for animals. We almost tagged a deer on this one. There's a lot of interesting things going on. Sunrise, I tried to get some bonus footage and go up to Sunrise there on Mount Rainier, but it was packed. But I did get lunch at Whistling Jack's. So yeah, this is a nice ride. So let's go check it out, huh?